So good. It's crazy good. I'm so glad I'm off camera.
Why?
I can eat like a pig.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. I know I look like a schoolgirl with pins and Grace made fun of me, but I was looking through Instagram and I really wanted hairpins for some reason, so I look very Korean and schoolgirly today. But today we're going to be making Buldak Lasagna. So I was pondering on the idea of, is there a Korean lasagna out there? And I researched and I couldn't find a single search. So we're the first on Angie's Table to make a Korean lasagna, and we had a couple friends over a couple days ago and we made Buldak chicken, which is freaking amazing. If you guys haven't checked it out, check that out because we are not going to teach you how to make Buldak chicken again, but the link will be above. So we're going to be combining the two and make a Korean Buldak chicken lasagna. So no further words necessary. Let's go right to it and check out these ingredients. Have a pot of water boiling here, so let's go ahead and add in our lasagna noodles. So it's actually important to add these in one by one so they don't get stuck to each other. That was one of my biggest mistakes when I made lasagna for the first time. And we will cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. And make sure you keep moving it around in the time being so they don't get stuck. And while this is cooking, we don't like to waste time on this channel, so let's go ahead and make the ricotta filling. We have ricotta cheese here and we're gonna crack an egg. Anytime you guys see egg in an ingredient, it's usually used as a binding agent or somewhat of like a thickening or a wet ingredient. In this case, it's used to hold the ricotta cheese closer together so that it's not just spilling out, but it's more stuck together. Then our cheese and the parsley. Give it a mix. Looks like mashed potatoes. Kind of. Make sure to have your eye on this once in a while too. Almost forgot, but half a teaspoon of salt to this. Okay, so now 8 minutes has passed. I'm gonna drain these out. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil in between so it doesn't stick to each other. So we're gonna put these aside and work on our meat filling. So normally it's ground beef or pork, but today we're gonna be using chicken, and they're slightly bigger chunks of chicken. I didn't even try cutting these into smaller pieces. Let's start off by cooking the onions. Medium heat, olive oil. So this has sweated a bit, so let's add in our Buldak chicken. Oh my god, that clump of cheese. Add in our tomato sauce. Let's add in our tomato paste now. And a 1/4 cup of some water. So there's like duck pieces in here. It's gonna be very interesting. Let's add in a little bit of basil and some black pepper. Give that a mix. So this is, we just needed to heat it because everything was cooked. Let us start assembling. So prepare a casserole dish. We have like a medium-sized pan. The larger one would be, I think, too large, but you can always up the ingredients and up the serving count. But for now, before we assemble, let's go ahead and preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. On bake, I forgot to say that. Add a layer of the sauce first. You know what, I think I'm gonna take the chicken pieces out.
Yeah, just the sauce.
Yeah, try your best to get just the sauce. And lay 2 lasagna pieces down. Like so. And then we're gonna add in a ricotta cheese. I'm gonna take a 1/3 of it and then spread it all out. Lay our sauce down. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And some cheese. and repeat. Into the oven it goes. So that will be in there for about 25 minutes, but for now, do you guys know what it's time for? So today's word of the day is 색깔, which means color. So today I'm gonna introduce you guys to my favorite 색깔 or color, and it's white. I'm literally dressed in white today on the wrong day, as always. A lot of people wouldn't consider white as a color. I think it's a color.
White is the reason why we have other colors.
Exactly. It is the base to every color out there. Grace's favorite color is, hold on, I'm gonna guess.
You should know this.
Red.
What?
Oh, blue.
No.
Oh, pink.
Do you not know me?
Black.
No, it's pink.
I said pink. Everyone who loves white, I love you guys all because you guys have the best taste. But today's word of the day is 색깔, which means white, or no, 색깔, which means color. So I hope you guys utilize this Korean word of the day. It's ready. Now let us eat. Grace, are you excited?
Yeah.
She's been excited this entire time. So we are now eating.
Go for it.
Just go for it. Uh-oh.
I think it's the best lasagna I've ever had.
You like it?
Holy crap.
It's good. Oh my god, I gotta try.
So
I'm
good.
gonna try this duck piece here. Oh my god.
It's so good.
It's actually a very good mix of that Buldak flavor and lasagna. Like it honestly feels fusion, not leaning more one way, kind of. You know what I mean?
I feel like it's supposed to taste like this. I think this is the best lasagna I've had. Usually the ricotta's really like dry and crumbly. Because this one's really smooth.
Yeah,
So good.
it's so good. Buldak is something that we do serve up often when Grace has guests over. So we always have leftover. And we've done one where we made a Buldak cheese dip, Buldak 볶음밥, but I mean, this is like really, really good.
It's my favorite. And 볶음밥 is good, but this is like even better. This
볶음밥 is something that,
crazy.
you like it?
It's crazy good. It's like a little bit of spice. It tastes like Italian still because of the tomato.
Yeah. And I love it because it's not ground beef. I don't know, I really like chicken, so.
I can
Wow,
eat this for
that was
days.
successful.
I'm so glad I'm off camera.
Why?
I can eat like a pig. And you can't.
You guys, this is the first Korean lasagna. This is the first. Like, Andy Stable made it. #1, the first. So, I really hope you guys try it out. Let us know in the comments if you do, and we'll see you guys on our next video.